What's up, everyone? I hope you all have an amazing week. I have some solid setups for you all today, and I always like to tell people to become a day trader, you have to fall in love with the learning process and you have to put education before trading. Plenty of time to trade in the future. Be sure to focus on learning how to trade before you actually start trading so you don't blow your accounts. Trust me, it's worth the effort, and it's all about, being able to be happy while you learn. Because if you hate doing something, you're gonna give up on it, chances are. But before we get started, you all know what to do. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. I don't ask for much, so do that for me. Let's get right into this video. First stock on the watch list is one that we are very familiar with. Those in Team Bull know I trade this often, and I've made a lot of money off of Walmart. Anyways, I'm looking for a pull on down to this 125.3 area. This is my bounce area I'm watching. I will use 126 calls for this trade. My stop loss will be down here around this 124.59 area. I may keep it there, or I may drop it down below that one at 124.50. We'll see how it plays out. Hopefully we won't have to worry about that because I think that's a solid support area. And once we bounce here, I think we have room up this 126.6. And above that, 127.53. I don't know if we'll see that much movement in one day, but it looks solid. I will be watching it, and I will call out my entry inside Team Bull if this level does confirm. If you don't know how to trade bounces, I like to point this out, give references. I have a complete YouTube video dedicated to teaching you how to take bounces, how I personally take them. Second stock on the watch list is Bank of America, ticker BAC. I'm going to be watching this for a bounce as well. I'm really liking this 29.68 area, and I will use the 30 call options for this trade. I do believe we have room back up to this 30.1, and above that, I think we could even see 31 plus. Now, this is one of them trades that could be a swing trade if you would like to try that. Just be sure you know how to manage that position. Me personally, I usually keep a stop loss around 50%. Another thing I like to do when I'm preparing to enter a swing trade, I like to look at my options. Keep this in mind, I always choose monthly expiration. And I like to go at least 1 to 2 months out in expiration when swing trading, just so that it does not eat up my premium. And I want to pause for a second. First off, I want to say thank you again to everyone that's purchased the account building guide. I've had a lot of good feedback on the video that's included. It's basically like a one-on-one with me. So I answer a bunch of questions. The guide is a 3-step process I take every day. Has a risk management template. Yeah, I just want to say thank you. It did amazing. Now let's get back to this level. So you have my level on BAC. If you treat it as a day trade or a swing trade, totally up to you. It is a solid support area. Okay, UPST, Upstart. This is something I recently took a swing trade inside Team Bull. We did really well on this. I'm going to be looking for a similar trade on this again. This will probably be well, honestly, this could be a day trade or swing trade. I'm probably going to look more towards a swing trade inside of this. And I will go out, I'll probably go out to November's monthly expiration date on this. I'm going to look at the 20.5 calls for a 20.2 bounce area. Be looking to pick up the 20.5 calls or 21 calls. I have not really looked and see which one looks better. Either of them will work fine. And I'll be, my final price target would be way up here around this 23 area. But keep in mind, I will be trimming as I go up and adjusting my stop loss accordingly. And that's my favorite setup for this week. Use these as you will, but be sure you know how to day trade before trading any of my setups. And if you don't, remember, I'm going to repeat this. Plenty of time to trade in the future. Focus on learning. I still learn every day. I still read daily. I watch educational videos. I even take courses still. So never stop learning. That's what's going to keep you ahead of the game and keep you making money in this hostile environment. But that's all I have for you all. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.